All right, so a lot of times it's not all fun and games. So we own the majority of this complex here. It's about 66 units. We own about half of it right now. So in order to keep the house values up and bring everything up here, we actually started the HOA back up, and one of our orders is to make sure that abandoned, broken down cars don't stay here. So there's about 15 that they're going to be towing out of here today. They come once a month and they make sure that they get all abandoned cars so kids can't play in them, stolen cars, all of that. So we keep the grounds and maintain it, and it helps keep the values up and people actually want to live here.